Create a new document. My artboard is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Type your text. Select the selection tool. Open the Appearance panel. Add a new fill. Place the fill above the stroke. And pick a fill color. Pick a stroke color. I use a stroke weight of 30, but you can also use a different amount. I make the corners round. Drag the stroke to the plus icon to duplicate it. Make this stroke the same color as the text. My first stroke was 30 points, so I have to add 30 to the next stroke, which makes it 60. Select both strokes and drag them to the plus icon. Keep adding the same amount to the stroke weight. In my case that's 30, so I use 90 points and 120 points now. Select all the strokes and drag them to the plus icon. Instead of calculating the stroke weight yourself, you can also type in the sum. So in this case 120 plus 30, 150 plus 30 and so on. Continue this process until you have enough strokes. You can adjust the text while keeping the strokes. And that's how you create a text with multiple strokes.